Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Talk Amasibi with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Apostle Alfred dey talk about the protest wey happen for Benin today, where one person for lost his life. He said make Emmanuel Agbogun and the EPM members no link the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki to that violence wey happen today. He said because Godwin Obaseki no get hand for wetin happen for inside that protest where somebody for lost his life. So make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa.
Now some people don't like better thing. Now go attack who they protest. So nobody should link the state governor to this matter. Because nobody, you both should stop it. All those EPM members, Emmanuel Agbogun and the rest, so please stop it. Please, Emmanuel Agbogun and the rest, please stop it. Stop spreading rumor. Saying it is PDP people that is attacking. Please stop it. No, stop them. This is not the time for play game. This is not the time to play game. This is not the time. So Emmanuel Agbogun and the rest, Mona, stop them. Stop it. Stop it. Emmanuel Agbogun, stop it. We beg you, stop it. Why are you bringing PDP to this matter? Why are you bringing PDP to this matter? Real protests has nothing to do with PDP, so stop it. Stop it. Yeah, my people, sorry, the network just did bad and I need to start all over again. Well done. So, Edo State peaceful protest turned bloody. So I don't know why some people will come begin the attack who they protest peacefully. Now some people from nowhere, now they attack those people this morning, and it is wrong. What is not good is bad. What is not good is bad. And these guys when they protest, so they protest for the betterment of the state and of the country. This is the first time with the years they keep pressing. It is wrong, and it's totally wrong, and we condemn her in totality. So by the grace of God, struggle continue and the fight continue. Is a fight to finish. So my people, it not get the amount of intimidation when you go first stop the voice of the people. The people have spoken and there is nothing anybody can do. The people have spoken and there is nothing anybody can do about this matter. See, we are ending bad leaders completely in this country. Bad governance, we end them completely. So not just to end SARS, we are going to end the salary of our legislators. We'll cut it by 60%. In fact, they should be added to minimum wage. Minimum wage. So all those big salary, whether they collect, it no go happen again, and we no go let it happen again. We are not in a banana republic where anything goes. Nobody, the time don't reach for us to call a spade is paid. Nigeria is moving forward and there is nothing anybody can do. So, and we are also using this medium to call on a president, Buhari, to resign, to step down. Make it just step aside so that this country will move forward. So we're also calling on the National Assembly, make una do the needful. We no go take nonsense from anybody again. Imagine bag of rice, 38,000 naira for bag of rice, 38,000 naira. As they increase fuel, everything for market increase. Everything for market increase. Poor people are dying. No light. Nothing. People are suffering in the midst of plenty. Who they responsible? Now our politicians, our political leaders, not them. They responsible for this backwardness. All of them, they send their children go abroad. Their children, they are abroad. They enjoy themselves. While our people, they suffer for the land. So we must do everything to make sure say we change the narrative. We no go agree, and we are not going to take this intimidation from anybody. The people have spoken. After all, now Buhari talks say the youth are lazy. Now we are coming out to tell you, sir, that we are not for the betterment of our country. So we are not going to take nonsense from anybody. So by the grace of God, the youth, we are all united. We are united. Of course, some people want to hijack it, but we don't care. But we are united, and we are going to reach till the end until the freedom come. And that freedom must come. That freedom must come. That freedom must come. And we don't go change them. Nobody go fit change them. So by the grace of God, the deputy governor Shirin Grona to also address the people, to address them. So the truth be say, this country too big for Buhari to rule, and he don't old, so he make it resign. So as we call for answers, we call for end our legislator salary. How will a senator be receiving 30 million naira every month? You are receiving 30 million naira every month in a country where there is no road, in a country where there is no stable electricity, in a country where there is no good healthcare system, in a country where there is no rail system, in a country where there is no security on our waterways, and you are collecting salary of 30 million naira every month. We are not going to take that from anybody anymore. Enough is enough. We have been oppressed, and we can no longer be oppressed. You can imagine Nigeria. We there in the midst of the river. Soap will still enter our eyes. Even when other country, they think how they make life good for the people, our own leaders, they make life miserable for us. Buhari, sit down. You increase fuel under COVID-19. You increase VAT. You increase tariff. Why you not reduce the salary of our legislators? Why you not reduce the salary where una they collect for una self? Now you guys are collecting from the people to enrich yourself. And we say no to this injustice. And we are saying no to police brutality. We are saying no to custom brutality. We are saying no to military brutality. We are saying no to the government brutality. We are tired of this oppression. We are tired, and the voice of the people can never be silent at all. Them no go feel silent our voice. The Nigerian youth have spoken in one voice, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. So by the grace of God, we are moving on to ensure that the state or the country of our dream will achieve it without looking back, without fear or favor. So nobody, I repeat, nobody should attack those going about with their peaceful protest. Nobody should attack them. Enough is enough. Nobody should attack them. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are not going to take it from anybody. We are not going to take it from anybody. Imagine students go graduate, no job. They throw them into labor market. Students they're in the street. Every year, students are coming out from the university. No future. No hope. No hope. No future. So the protest is not all about Yahoo boys. It's beyond them. It's beyond them. So we are going to change the narrative. We are going to change the narrative. We can no longer take it anymore. We can no longer take it anymore. And Edo is moving forward, and the Nigeria state will no longer be under the hand of anybody again. You can imagine the man when they call it said Tinubu carry Lagos with hand. Will they say no? One man have no rights to take over the state. No man is God, and God get power, and God is the one controlling the universe. So we are saying enough is enough to the works of darkness in our land. We are saying enough is enough to the works of evil in Nigeria. So we are going to be bringing all these people to book. All of them, we must bring them to book. Tinubu, you must face the law. You must face justice. Nigeria does not belong to you, and you cannot put Lagos under your pocket. See, if you like the sponsor talks, maybe they attack people when they protest peacefully. Okay, the stone where they release, it will return back 200 times. So Nigeria, we are tired. We are tired with Buhari government. Oga Bubu, we are tired. We no go fit follow you enter the ship again. You just pilot by yourself. Pilot and go Daora, no problem. We no go fit take care from una again. Enough is enough. Imagine we get oil, yet we still suffer. Fuel depot today is 165 naira, 162 naira. Who does that? 162 naira. Who does that? Who does that? So I also said no to the increment of fuel. Reduce the fuel price. Reduce the pump price of fuel immediately. Country now. We are tired of this intimidation. We are tired of this suffering. We are tired of this police brutalization. See, those of you where they wait, say, oh, God will come down from heaven to fight. It's a lie. God will come down. Because God don't give us authority. God don't give us authority, and we must use them wisely. In the book of Genesis, the Bible said, and God said, let them have dominion. God gave dominion authority to man. That's the reason why it is not possible for the Jesus Christ to come. Who it is? Yeah, hello. Hello? Hello? The network. So, we are tired. We are tired. Nigeria is moving forward, and there is nothing anybody can do. So, we are calling on President Buhari, please, resign. Buhari must go. Buhari must go. You must go. They know the changer. They know the changer. They know the changer. Imagine territory go sit down. They chew chewing gum. They chew chewing gum. They pass bill for their own selfish interest. They only pass bill. How do they make life good for Nigerians? We get fuel, we get oil, but yet nothing. So they enter our eye in the midst of plenty. We no go take them again from anybody. We no go take them again. Yet our leader, they go they compare Nigeria with another country. We do not compare Nigeria with another country. I know that country to get light. We they compare Nigeria say our fuel 9 cheap pass. We do not compare Nigeria say other country get 24 power supply. Buhari must go. So revolution one of the fear since it don't you see now full blown revolution. That what happened so before that no go hear me. The revolution of the fear since now what happened so full blown revolution. Okay, so now. So don't wait for God to fight. God has given us the mandate. God has given us the mandate, and we must play our role. We must play our role, and the time is now. And the time is now. We are tired of his oppression. We are tired of his intimidation. We are tired of police brutality. We are tired of custom brutality. We are tired. We can no longer take it anymore. And we can no longer take it anymore from anybody. From anybody. We don't take it from anybody. We are not going to take it from anybody. So, may they also remove all the custom from the road. Custom, may they remove them from road. So, if one of the those are say, God, God, they look us. Don't allow God to do for you what you can do for yourself. No. The truth is, God can never do for you what you can do for yourself. Check Ukraine, Orange Revolution. Now people now start on. So Ukraine now change. What happen for Egypt? It won't play out now. Waiting our leader till they joke so. Waiting for happen for Egypt. If now want play out so, we be say we go march to our so rock say, oh God, get up from the seat. We're tired. Now we elect you, and we say get out to tell you go. We're tired. Since I was young, now I'm getting old. Now we shout up NEPA. Are we going forward or we are going backward? We are going backward every day. We are going backward every day. So, we are not going to take this rubbish from anybody. And those who attack, those who hoodlum, when they go attack our people today for Ring Road, we condemn that act in totality. We condemn her. Because this morning, my eyes shine for Ring Road. My eyes shine. I was not told. I was there. Live and direct. When the NSAS protest, they did their own JJJ. They play music for front of House of Assembly. They did their own JJJ, where some people come out from nowhere, attack them. That what happened. That is what happened. Because we see them, I see them. No be earmark, I see them. I see them. Those guys were on their own, JJJ, singing their song. Where some people come out from nowhere, begin to shoot gun. They attack them. Small boys with gun, with knife, with cutlass to attack people when they fight for their own interests. They attack people when they fight for their own benefit. This is wickedness. This is pure wickedness. Our youth, some of our youth no one wake up, they still sleep. All these hoodlum, when I still sleep, and I don't wake up. When I still sleep, and I don't wake up. And they sleep, and I don't wake up. So we condemn what happened today in totality in Edo State. It is uncalled for. It's uncalled for. We condemn it in totality. It's uncalled for. And we thank God for the deputy governor that also joined the people to calm down the tension. So we'll continue to play our part. We'll continue to fight for the freedom of our people. This fight now for our unborn children, our grandchildren, our children. This fight don't be one man fight. This fight now for our unborn children, so that we can have a country we can call our own. When other countries they defend their citizens, when other countries they protect the life of their citizens, our own will they destroy. Are those people they protest today, they're supposed to get security coverage? Yes. And we are going to call all over the country. They have to security coverage. Cover them. Because they are fighting for the peace. They are fighting for the betterment of the country. Imagine people go finish school, no work. They go still go about with file from office to office. If you don't know man, no work. Another thing we call see pay me pass. Why be say IG when they want bring a police come Edo, it will be non-Edo. It must stop. It must stop. So we are ending corruption totally. We are ending corruption. We are ending bad political leadership. We are ending godfatherism in Abuja. And we are going to end that godfather in Abuja. We are going to end national army. We are going to end them completely. Enough is enough. In less than 24 hours or 48 hours, they produce another name. Swaft. From SARS to Swaft. In less than 24 hours, they produce another name. Who does that? The same people. The same people. So Nigeria, we can no longer be slave in our own land. We can no longer be slave in our own land. We can no longer be slave in our own land. And we are going to change the narrative. Yes. And I also want to appeal to the people, please, do not, he has no hand in it. Now some people don't like better thing. Now go attack who they protest. So nobody should link the state government to this matter. Because nobody, you both should stop it. All those EPM members, Emmanuel Agbegu and the rest, so please stop it. Please, Emmanuel Agbegu and the rest, please stop it. Stop spreading rumor. Saying it is PDP people that is attacking. Please stop it. We're not stop them. This is not the time for play game. This is not the time to play game. This is not the time. So Emmanuel Agbegu and the rest, we're not stop them. Stop it. Stop it. Emmanuel Agbegu, stop it. We beg you, stop it. Why are you bringing PDP to this matter? Why are you bringing PDP to this matter? This protest has nothing to do with PDP, so stop it. Stop it. Enough is enough. Now stop them. You guys should stop it. So, my people, support those protesting. They are not only protesting against to fight. The protest is not all about NSAS, it's beyond NSAS. So that's why me now, and they support them. I, Apostle, out them. We are saying no to police brutality. We are saying no to injustice. We are saying no to corruption. We are saying no to greedy politicians that is carrying the weight of the people for themselves. Enough is enough. And very soon we will shut down the airport. No political officer will fly out of this country for medical checkup. Only Agbo, go to EBTH. If you have headache, go to Irua Specialist Hospital. We don't let you travel again. Thank God for Central Hospital. We don't do that. We not go there. We don't let you travel again. All una children where they abroad now dream on bring them come university Uniben. From even I not go Uniben, I go Ekpoma. If I not go Ekpoma, just all over the country. Make una come face, una come see taste which our people they taste for school. We not go take this nonsense from anyone again. Though Nigeria is moving forward. So I support this protest against bad political leadership. I support this protest against Buhari government. I support the protest against Buhari government. Buhari should resign. Buhari should resign. Buhari should resign. And all the ministers should resign. All of them should resign. All of them should resign. Eyafe will resign. Then the senators will resign. Will cut on salary as to share by 60%. Those salary, if we put them together, it will reach do road. It will reach they give people light. We have been shouting light. Since 1960. No light. No light. Now can go. Ukpa, mama ukpa. We don't see light. Come on, small. And now we they give Niger Republic light. Yet Niger Republic get light 24 hours. Now wow. So we go this fight. Now see the revolution where they fear. That go happen. Yes, so the revolution, see, It's a revolution against darkness, revolution against nepotism, revolution against corruption, revolution against bad political leadership, revolution against backwardness, infrastructural decay, serious revolution against all of them. Against all of them. And most of of course, our big men, our politicians, they are responsible for this. Not the cheap chingom. They pass useless law for National Assembly. So my people, we no go take them from anybody again. We will not take it. So, what happened in Edo State today? Those people attacking the NSAS protest is wrong. I will condemn it in totality. We condemn it in totality. We condemn it in totality. We will continue to fight for the truth. We will continue to defend our state and our country. And for the first time, our youth have proven to the whole world that they are not lazy. For the first time, our youth have proven to the whole world that they are not lazy. Of course, we are not lazy. We don't have lazy youth anymore. We are ready. Things must change. We can no longer do things in the old way. We can no longer do things in the old way. So my people, now so it be. Now here I will round up this broadcast this evening. And if there is any information, I'll still come back. Come to tell us how it be. Una do well. God bless all of una. We'll see later tonight by the grace of God. My name is still Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka Tokam as it be. Tokam as it be. Now time we not here. This protest is beyond human imagination. Yes, so protest against Chief Tinubu, where you say carry Lagos put for pocket. If this country now where law they work, Tinubu suppose don't they jail by now. Because we forget this money we take acquire half of Lagos. See, whether they like them or not, they will never go scot-free. Who trust over glasses? Thinking say the glass you don't go touch her. The glass go break, the pieces go piece your leg, blood go they throw away. Each one. Don't I go no say you cannot take the people mandate for granted. You cannot take the people mandate for granted. Now we elect una and we'll still remove una. Now we elect una and we'll still remove una. Yes, sir. Now we elect una and we will still remove una. Yes. My little one, if my baby wine, you guys should just go home. Because you guys are not fit to represent us. Nigerians are suffering. Poverty everywhere. You know fit write that plan or what you want to do for a day. You know fit. If you write out 3 things you want to achieve, you will end up achieving just one. Because no light. So the student will use candle they read. After the candle read finish, you can't say now why? So Buhari resign. Yes, sir, resign. This country too big for you to rule. So Buhari resign. No. This country too big for you, and you need to resign. So, my people, now here I will close the broadcast this evening. When I do well, we'll continue from here tomorrow or later tonight. Anytime we get where information take come, they give una. Now do well. My name is still Apostle Alfred Oyinosa, aka Tokam as it be. Una do well. See you later. God bless you now.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. If you get anything to add, join with your Apostle don't talk. Go to comment section. Make you put your own for there. And make you also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Most especially for this protest wey dey go on, wey don dey enter 10 days now for Nigeria. Make I leave you now. Make you help us share this video to friends and family. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.